Hello, everyone. I hope everybody is doing safe and in this COVID-19 situation. As we know that tourism has come to a little halt in these days, I think brushing up our skills would be the most important part and is the best time to do that. So I've come up with this topic of developing an innovative package tour because I consider packaging tour is the most important part of our whole tourism industry as the industry revolves around it, and it is the product that our industry has for selling and buying. So today we'll start with this topic of developing an innovative package tour. Before starting, I will give a little review on what package tours are actually and what are its components and how we have to use these components to make a best package out. So, first of all, let's understand what is a tour package. Tour package are the combination of various services together, which is being made in advance. Trip is being planned in advance, and it is paid in one single price. These are the important things that we have to understand. These are 4 points that you have to remember, that it is a combination of two or more services. That trip is planned in advance and it is paid in one single price. And one more thing which is very important, that it is made for some fixed duration. So let's understand one by one. What do you mean by when we talking about combination of services? As we know, we the tourism revolves around 5 A's. So yes, tour package can be combination of two or more A's. Then we say it is planned in advance. Yes, the tour operator and travel agent is responsible for making and planning the trip in advance as per the requirement of the customer. And it is paid in single price. Yes, the tour package, the operator or travel agent combines these services. He is the person who pays up to the his agents, his service vendors separately, but yes, he gets the price of all these services in one single price from his customer. And yes, it is for the fixed duration. The time of the particular trip is being fixed. It is from day 1 to day 5, day 1 to day 6, whatever the duration is, but the time is fixed for it. Let's go further just to revise what we have said. I'll repeat it. Tour package is a pre-planned, organized travel experience consisting of several and separate elements operated over a fixed itinerary and time frame. So now we have come up with this new terminology, itinerary. What is an itinerary? Itinerary is the blueprint of all the activities, all the services which a customer is paying to the travel agent. What else itinerary tell us? Itinerary tell us what is to be done from day 0 to the last date of the trip. He tour itinerary tells him that these all places, these all activities, this is the accommodation, what is his duration, what all things he will do in this particular package. Tour, what another thing that itinerary gives us? Itinerary is the something which tangibilizes our product. As we know that travel industry is completely intangible, and the experience has been paid before it has been experienced. So itinerary helps the travel agent and the operator to he tries to tangibilize his product with the help of fixed itinerary that he is providing to his customer. Next, let's come to the components of our tour packages. There are two components of our tour packages. That is, one is the travel component and one is the ground arrangement. What all comes into the travel component? Travel component includes the most important thing is to and fro transportation. The transportation from the residence or the place the customer is residing till the destination and then returning back to his home is the to and fro transportation. Other than that, there is the visa, the insurance, that is being covered into the travel component. Another most important component is the ground arrangements, in which when the person reaches to the destination, what all things that he requires in the destination and what all things are being booked in the destinations comes into the ground arrangements. That can be the accommodation where the customer is gonna stay, transfers, how will he travel from his place of accommodation on the destination to the activities or attractions or the food and meals related places in the destination. Sighting tours, what will be his sighting tours, what are his meals, and car rentals and other additional tour components, that could be any, that is included into the arrangement. So we have to understand that tour package is designed into two components. One is the travel arrangement, which includes its all to and fro transportation and visa and insurance, and another is arrangement, which is related to the services that he will avail at the destination. So that's for today, and in next topic, in next video, we will cover the classification of tour package. Thank you guys.